This milk tea and this pizza. Good. I love it. I like the cheese. Wait! So good. So yummy.
Oh, masarap itong ganyan. Masarap yung ganyan, no?
Yeah. The drinking is awful. Some rest of it. Wait. Again, pizza.
Mainit talaga nun kasi summer na, pero okay lang kasi nakatutok naman sa kanyang electric fan eh. Okay na sa yung tulog ko kaso lang, may nagpatay ng electric fan bigla. Sobrang init nun, pawis talaga ako ito. Tapos, okay, ito na. Let's go. One, Still looking at it.
Ito na. I have a TikTok account that is named Jericho, and like this, I think in 2019. You can look at my feed. Just search Jericho if you have TikToks. I will comment and do my study. Tara, laban tayo, Jericho. Oh, he will regret it. Oh my god. No, my god. Please, I'm gonna go to this one. That's 30. And that's all. Bye. Yum yum.